you'd like to protect your life and your Volkswagen from a sudden fire, well then you need to get Blazecut. What we've got here is the Blazecut automatic fire suppression system. But before we go installing it, let's make sure you have your fuel filter in the right location. It should be installed above your transmission or below your fuel tank. Unlike the stock location is normally at, near your coil and all of this hot area inside your engine bay can start a fire, and most VW fires are right inside the engine bay due to that. Before we go to install this into your car, let's think of some things that you need to have in your car. First thing would be an oven mitt. What are you gonna do when you pull over and your deck lid is very, very hot? Another thing you should have is your common household fire extinguisher. All those things can possibly put out a fire, but Blazecut is definitely gonna put out the fire for you. Say you're driving down the road and you're talking to your friends and listening to some music and people are yelling at you or honking their horns, or you see smoke in your rearview mirror. You still have to safely pull over, but Blazecut's gonna be working for you before you pull over. Then you pull out your mitt and your fire extinguisher in case you need it. If something sparks back up, but chances are it's not with Blazecut. It takes all the oxygen away and fire can't burn without oxygen. So what we have right here is a 1970 Beetle, and you can see how I installed it. It took about 5-6 zip ties. Depending on what VW you have is how you're going to install it. Or you could use the magnetic hose clamp holders. As you can see here, it's quite simple. Now after you've installed your Blazecut, you can apply your stickers proudly that you are protecting yourself and your family and your VW. You know, imagine that. Simple as that. Blazecut works great at saving human lives and your VW, but it also works great on RVs, boats, machinery, electric appliances, and much, much more. Now go out and get Blazecut and have peace of mind when you're driving your Volkswagen.
But wait, there's more. Would you like to win Blazecut for your Volkswagen? Well, guess what? We teamed up with Blazecut and the VW factory of Ocala to give away Blazecut for our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And we're also giving away a VW factory t-shirt, VW factory sticker, and a limited edition Just Buggin' tie-dye, as long as we have it in your size, because we're running out. If we don't have it in your size, then you can pick whatever color, whatever size you would like for t-shirts off of our Just Buggin' website, and we'll throw it in along with the winning of the giveaway. So if you guys would like to enter this giveaway, comment down below on this video. We'll take this URL for this video, throw it in a comment generator, and it'll pick whoever is the winner of Blazecut. While I was at BugJam 2022 in Dade City at Pasco County Fairgrounds, I happened to see multiple vehicles being protected by Blazecut. Just had to share this real quick, show some appreciation for somebody that actually has some protection on their Volkswagen. Blazecut. Definitely put Blazecut on any air-cooled Volkswagen, even any Volkswagen, really. Right there, get it. Links down in the description. Great product, beautiful looking thing, and they will not only protect their investment, but they'll also protect their life by using Blazecut. And here's another vehicle, not too far from the thing. Once again, if you'd like to protect your investment along with your life, then definitely go check out Blazecut. And once again, next to the thing, next to the white book, we have another person that's protecting their investment along with protecting their life with Blazecut. I'm telling you, if you don't have Blazecut, what do you don't have? Look, see, he said so many people right there having fires in their bugs. Look, all these people are protected by Blazecut. That's great. Love seeing that. Thank you guys.
Sure, thank you. Thank you.
Also, here's tons of pictures of our VW family with Blazecut protecting their life and their Volkswagen. Now, if you have Blazecut, you won't be in a situation like this. If you guys like the yellow 1970 custom VW Beetle, aka Bumblebee, then go check out its series, because guess what? It's for sale and you could own it. It's ready to hop in and go to a car show. So if you guys are interested in possibly purchasing Bumblebee, the 1970 custom VW Beetle that has impy parts on it, and Blazecut, then check the link down in the description, contact us through our Facebook page, and we'll send you guys the details. Now, if you love Blazecut, but the color black is your preference, then guess what? They now make it in black. So go check out their black series. Links down in the description. Once again, if you guys would like to enter this giveaway, then comment down below on this video. We will be using the URL link for this video, throwing it in a comment generator, and picking the winner of this year's 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's from the Just Buggin' family.